Hi everyone, welcome back to my Hangman project. This is the beta version uh, where I will be showing the improvements I have made since the alpha version. I'm excited to walk you through the updates that bring the game closer to full functionality. Now, in the alpha version, I had the core gameplay in place, basic hangman mechanics, and hard-coded words. The game tracked guesses and limited incorrect attempts, giving players feedback on their progress. Now, what we have done in this version is we modified the code to do file handling. Okay, so now the program is going to read the words from a file which is located in our resource. We can see it's a Hangman text file and it shows all the words inside, and we can add more, or you can have 100 or 1,000 words in it, or how many you want. So it makes it easier to handle the game. Now, um, the the second thing that we did was so yeah the second thing that we did was to make sure that the user inputs correct uh, alphabetic letters only and no other characters, and we have achieved that by a function which says is it alpha. Okay, so here we can we make sure that it's an alphabetic character and nothing else. So if the user enters a number, for example, the program is going to catch the invalidation and give a message saying that's an invalid input and please enter an alphabet letter only. Now, we also have put in a duplicated guess detection. So in case that the user already guessed a letter, we are going to make sure that the user knows that this letter was already uh, guessed, and we are going to print out a message saying this was an already guessed letter, so the user can enter a new letter. I also cleaned up the interface a little more. We have a menu now with three options, which has a starting game, view rules, and exit. We also have a validation input validation here, which would make sure that uh, the user enters the correct number only and nothing else, so our program is not going to crash. Uh, Now, at this stage, the game is about 90% complete. The core mechanics are solid and functioning, and the user interface is informative and clear. All required beta versions are implemented, and the code is stable. The game now feels like a complete playable experience. Now, we can always add more polish, such as more art for visual feedback, a cleaner main menu layout, and perhaps a way to track high score or win or lose static across sessions using a file. So let's run the program now and see how it actually works in the beta version. Okay, when we run the program, we can see right away that we have a cleaner interface. We have a menu here, shows starting game, view rules, exit, and choose an option. I'm going to choose option 2, which should give me the rules of the game, which, yes, we have right here, the rules of the game, and the user can read through them and know how to play the game. Let's just start one game and see what the program gives us. Okay, the program has chosen a random word from the file, and it gives us 6 attempts. It shows the guess letters, and it's asking us to enter a letter. Let's choose A, for example. Okay, there is one A, so the attempts is still, we have 6 attempts left. It's not counted down. Let's choose N, for example, and we see, oh, we have an N, two correct guesses. Let's check the validation. Let's enter 3, for example. What we can see here that it says invalid input. Please enter an alphabet letter. So you can see it's catching on our invalid inputs. So let's guess E, for example. Oh, we have an E. Oh, good. 3 right guesses. Let's D. Okay, that's an incorrect guess, and now our attempts are 5 only. G, for example. Oh, we have a G. It's getting harder. What kind of a word would that be? Okay, it has already a G, and let's guess S. Okay, if we guess S, we can see that it's incorrect. It doesn't contain an S. Let's guess E again, see what it does. Okay. Okay, so you can see that the program gives us the message. You already guessed that letter, and it's going back and asking for a new letter. So let's say B, for example. Okay, there is no B. Let's W. There is no W. T, and there is no T either. So let's try F, for example. And we couldn't guess the word, so we get game over. The word was orange, and it's asking us to start a new game or see the rules or exit the game. So let's exit the game, and we can see, oh, I'm sorry, and then we can see that the game was exited, and we have actually achieved everything we wanted. All the new attempts, we catched invalid inputs, and we have a nicer interface, and we can play the game again and again. Well, thank you very much. I hope you like this version of my Hangman game, and let's see what we can do for the final version of the Hangman game. Thank you very much.